If you want to change the clock style on your Android lock screen, follow the simple steps. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your settings. Then we're gonna scroll down to our lock screen AOD section. Open it up. In some models like Xiaomi's, you have to do it in always on display section, or you can do it like right in your display section maybe. On Samsung's, we have to find edit lock screen option. Tap on it, and here we'll see this menu where we can edit our clock style. So here, if fun begins, tap on your clock widget and you'll see a lot of different variants. So choose the style which you like. You can disable clock at all, or you can edit up. For example, let's set up this one, why not? You can choose the color. In some clock styles, you can choose like the style of clock, the style of numbers. So as you see, changes. So decide what's the most suitable for you. For example, I prefer this one. And now we simply are to press done at the top right corner. And basically that's it. Now let's check. We've got a new updated clock style. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.